we're really lucky to be in Kelowna. For myself, I enjoy mountain biking and being outdoors, and there's a huge community for that here. There are other people that do hockey or arts or music, and there is a vast community for that as well. So each environment has its own thing, and we all come together because we want to be in the Okanagan. Art and Iris selling their business to me is very important to me. I feel that anybody who ran a very successful business in our community for 27 years, that's something I want to honor and hopefully grow on and carry it on to a vision that they are proud of when they look back on what they've done and how it's progressed. This is a great opportunity for me to reach out to new customers and invite you in. I'd love to look after your fleet. I'd love to look after your vehicles. I have a new family in Kelowna. We've been here for 24 years. We want to look after other people in Kelowna.